Well, I woke up pretty early this morning, drove about an hour and 15 minutes to Orange County, New York to photograph this beautiful sunflower field in back of me. Let's see how I do. I'm not sure I'm supposed to be here this early, but I'll ask for forgiveness rather than permission today. I was hoping to be a little more fog this morning and create a real moody scene. There's a bit of mist in the air. I wouldn't call it fog though, but pretty straightforward shot, just shooting these sunflowers before the sun rises, and the light is very soft right now. But as the sun rises, the scene will change, so I'll just stick it out for a little bit and see what I can come up with. Fortunately, it is a really calm morning, and so I can go out a little bit longer from an exposure standpoint and not have any shake in the flowers, getting a real clear, still image, which is great. Tricky part about shooting a sunflower field is there's a big depth of field, right? You got these flowers in front and you got the flowers way in back. So if you want everything in focus, it's kind of tough. Two things you could do is, one, you're going to use obviously a very small aperture or a high f-stop because that expands the depth of field. The other thing you can do is focus stack, where you take different shots with different parts of the image in focus and then merge them together in Photoshop. I'm a little too lazy for that, so I'm going for the first route today. Well, I've changed lenses. I want to get a single sunflower. So I put my 85mm 1.4 lens on so I can get a really sharp focus and a very shallow depth of field. The background's going to be nice and blurry. I just got to find the perfect sunflower. Just one tip when you're shooting on a kind of a warm, sticky, humid day. When you're driving to your location, don't have your air conditioner on full blast the whole time. Because what will happen is your camera and lens will get very cold and very dry. And if you pull it out immediately, it's going to fog up. So I drove out here with no air conditioning and the window open a crack, so I wouldn't have that issue. And so far it's working pretty well. Well, I think I'm done here. I'm going to wander around this area a bit, just on my way home, see if there's anything else I can find. Well, on my way home, I did notice this little field of purple flowers on the side of the road, so I figured I might as well stop, take some shots. Hey, listen, if you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button in the lower right corner, and until next time.